Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question that I solved around almost a year ago. So last October, let's try it again though. So this one's called substrings that begin and end with the same letter. So you're given a zero index string S and only lowercase characters, and you want to return the number of substrings that begin and end with the same character. So this would be this, and then this, and then this, and obviously this and this. So let's come up with an n squared solution first for j in range I, length of nums, because the character by itself is also a substring. And let's just say if nums of I is equal to nums of j, the beginning is equal to the n, then that's a new substring that's valid. And then at the end, we can just return the answer because we want the counts of the substrings. So S of I is S of j. So, okay, submit this. I think this will time out because this is n squared. Okay, so time limit exceeded. Okay, so let's make some observations here. So let's say we are on A. How many substrings begin and end with A? Obviously this one, plus how many A's are to the right, because that's another substring, right? For B, and then how many B's are to the right. Does that make sense? Okay, I hope that clears things up a little bit, because just from looking at this, that is my intuition. So let's try to do that. C equals to, okay, so let's just call this counter of S, because you only have 26 letters in the alphabet. So this is going to be O of 26 instead of however long S is, which if you go down here, it can be 10 to the power of 5, which is very big. So we're just going to subtract this, and we're going to say print S of I and then C. So again, this represents everything to the right. So how many A's we have? We have 1. We have 1B. We have no C's. 1B, 1A. So answer plus equals to 1. Obviously the character itself, and then answer plus equals to C of S of I, which is how many characters that appears to the right, because let's come up with some other examples. A, B, C, B, B, A. Let's say we're on here. So how many substrings begin and end with the same character? Well, you have this one, and then you have another 2, because this counts as 1, this counts as another 1. So the count of how many characters, how many B's are to the right, you add it to answer. So let's run this. Okay, cool, wow. So submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm pretty proud of this because I solved this on my own after quite a while. So yep, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.